Today we are making egg drop tomato soup. It's very simple to make and with few ingredients. First of all, we will take half tomato and cut into slices, medium thick slices. Then we will take one egg and beat it to make it fluffy. At this point there is no need to season the egg. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of canola oil in a frying pan. Frying pan should be non-stick, and then make an omelette. Cook it nicely, make it brown on both sides, and after it's cooked nicely, add tomato slices to cook along with eggs. In the meanwhile, we will need boiling water. 1 liter boiling water should be ready, so keep it ready while this egg and tomatoes are being fried. After the egg and tomatoes are fried nicely, add 750 ml of boiling water, and now start to break egg with spatula. While breaking the egg, the water which we put will become opaque, and we need to break egg into smaller pieces. Now add remaining 250 ml of water. Then I seasoned it with salt, little bit of onion powder, and garlic powder. Some white pepper, and that's it. Now we will mix it nicely until the soup is opaque, and let it boil for some time. So I will now add coriander for garnishing, and our egg drop tomato soup is ready. It's a very light soup, very easy to make, and very tasty. Enjoy.